Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, Jennifer Marie, where I teach you different ways that you can make money online working from home. In today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how you can create your own beautiful product mockups in Canva absolutely for free. So this is great if you are selling digital or physical products on platforms like Etsy or Shopify, or even in your Fiverr gigs. You may even use this method to sell your products or designs on your website or directly to clients. This is a quick way to make your products look beautiful without having to pay for a photographer and a photo shoot. So you can join Canva for free by clicking on my referral link in the description below this video. And all of the demos I'm going to show you in this video will be ones you can use with the free version of Canva. So let's get started. Okay, so once you log into Canva, you can go down here and click on Smartmockups. Here you can see we have over 8,000 different mockups that you can use. Now, if you do not have the premium version of Canva, there are still hundreds of different mockups you can use. Any of the smart mockups that have this little crown means that they are pro only, but all of these ones that don't have it are free to use. At the top here, you can see the different categories we have for mockups. We've got technology, print, packaging, apparel, and home and living. So anything you can think of. So let's say you're selling digital prints or your own artwork and you want to use a mockup to advertise your artwork. I'm going to click on print and then I'm going to click on frames. So you can use any of these, and again, most of these ones are absolutely free. They don't have the crown image, so just choose whichever one you like. Let's say I want to choose this one here, just click on it. You can see that it's free to use, and then click select. From here, you're going to select the image you want to upload. So you can either click on designs to import one directly from any of the designs you're working on in Canva, or click uploads and then click upload and upload your own image. So imagine I am selling a digital print of this artwork that I created. I want to sell this on a platform like Etsy. I'm going to click on the image, then click select. And you can see that it has automatically integrated this image inside the frame. Here you can click on adjust image and you can make any adjustments within the frame. So you can see the bounding boxes right here. This is where the frame is, and you can adjust it as you like. You could also click here under image sizing and go fit, and that way it will fit it into the frame. You can click fill, stretch if it didn't fit perfectly, or custom. You could also flip it if you wanted, and you could use any of these alignment buttons as well. I'm just going to click fit. You could also use this slider to zoom in if you want. And if you want to rotate it, you can click the rotate button and rotate it as well, however you like it. And then click save. And from here, you can just click save mockup, and you can download the mockup directly. And there you have your mockup, and it's literally just that easy. Now, if you wanted to go and make some more edits to this image, you could open that in Canva. You could click create a design, then click edit photo, and select the photo that you just created, the mockup you just created, then click edit photo, and you could click on edit image, and here you could adjust the brightness of the image, the contrast, saturation level. You could also add any filters, and then you could download the image again by clicking share and then download again. Now I'm going to show you another product example. Let's click on Smartmockups again. And this time, let's say you're selling some sort of digital planner or document. I'm going to click on tablets. Again, the majority of these ones are completely free, the ones that do not have the little crown. Let's click on this one, then click select. I'm going to choose my planner document, then select the image, choose select. And you can see that it has inserted this planner within the tablet. Now I want to make a few little adjustments by clicking adjust image. And again, you can just adjust that however you like it so it will fit perfectly or show exactly what you want to show in the tablet, and click save. And you can see it automatically rotates it so that it fits perfectly within the frame. And then again, click Save Mockup and download. And finally, let's try a logo design. Let's say you're advertising your services as a logo creator. Let's click on Home and Living and click on Mugs. And click Select and upload your logo. Then click Select and then Adjust Image. And you can make it as big as you want so it fits. Again, you can see the outline of the box. Then click Save. And then Save Mockup. And then download. And it's literally just that easy to create beautiful product mockups using any of these different images that you can find on Canva. And you can make any edits that you want to the images before you upload them into the product mockups, or you can edit the complete image afterwards, as I showed you in the first example, by adding filters or adjusting any of the color settings. So make sure to sign up to Canva using my referral link in the description below. And if you have any questions whatsoever about Canva, just ask me in the comments section. I do plan on doing a full tutorial on how to use Canva very soon. Thank you guys once again for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more tutorials just like this one, and I will see you in my next video.